I recently had the opportunity to try Voibella Advanced Anti-Aging Vitamin C Facial Serum. The box it comes in is quite nice, perfect for gift giving. And who wouldn't appreciate a gift like this? When you open the box, this is what you'll find inside. The bottle is rather attractive, and it features an airless pump to help protect the serum from exposure to air, which can cause oxidation. This helps to keep your product fresh. This product is great for smoother, younger looking skin. It diminishes wrinkles and fine lines, reduces blemishes and sunspots, minimizes pores, great for rejuvenation and hydration from within. You can read more about the benefits of the ingredients on their website. The airless pump is easy to use. Just press and squirt a little onto your hand and apply it as you would any other moisturizer. There's no greasy or sticky feeling from the serum. It left my skin feeling smooth and soft. Check the description below to find out where you can get yours. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.